Hi guys, welcome back to the Tutor's Tutor, where I help you make money online and share new and upcoming ideas with you to also help you with your online business and online teaching as well. Now, I must say, there has this AI that has been going around, and I've been very interested in it and how it works. So, I had to hop on here to share it with you guys so that it can help your businesses or your teaching as well. Even if you're teaching independently, it will also help that, or in the classroom. I have tried it myself, so I will be sharing what I've used it for and how I've used it. And I must say, I am beyond impressed with how this thing works. It's amazing. Also, just to be living in a time like this where you get to see, how AI is helping. I'm not saying take over, I'm saying helping because we can obviously use this to the best of our benefit. If you do hear my baby, guys, I'm sorry about that, but I do work from home. Now, remember, we are going to be using this tool to assist us and not to do everything for us. If you're looking for an awesome AI tool that can generate human like responses to your prompts, then ChatGPT is the solution you have been searching for. In this video, we'll explore exactly what ChatGPT is, how it works, and I'm going to provide you with some fun and exciting tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. So as you can see, make money with ChatGPT. Let's go and see exactly how we can do that. So, the first question is, what is ChatGPT? It is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate responses to your prompts. So, whatever you ask in ChatGPT, it's going to give you an answer. It is basically like having your own personal robot assistant that can respond to anything you ask it. So, think about this: you want a personal assistant, and you want the personal assistant to work efficiently and effectively. That is exactly what ChatGPT can be for you if you use it in the right way. ChatGPT is built on a deep neural network and can understand natural language, which is amazing because this means it can generate responses that sound just like something a real person would say. It really is amazing. I was blown away by how proficient and effective it was. Even if I greet ChatGPT, it greets me back. Even if I say thank you, it'll respond to what I'm saying. It really is amazing. So let's get to how you can actually use ChatGPT. The first thing you want to do, because I know you guys want to have a feel of this, you are going to go to Google and then you're going to search OpenAI. Now, as you can see in the drop down menu there, it does give you the option OpenAI ChatGPT login. I did not choose this option. For me, I just pressed enter when I typed in OpenAI and it took me to the next page. So as you can see, OpenAI on the top there by the Google search, and then I clicked on the second one, ChatGPT. After clicking on the second one, then it took me to the OpenAI landing page, and then I clicked on Try ChatGPT. After that, it gave me the option to log in or sign up. If you are a first time user, you are going to use the sign up option. If you already have an account, then you're going to press log in. When you click on sign up, as I'm assuming this would be your first time, then you would have the option to obviously input an email address and then you press continue, or you can continue with Google as I have done. Then the next thing it's going to ask you to tell us about you, and usually your name pops up there, as mine did, and then I just clicked on continue. From there on, it took me to the next page where I had to verify my phone number, and then it sent me a code. And once I put the code in, it took me to the landing page of ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, the right side of ChatGPT, it gives you examples, capabilities, and the limitations that it may have. Now, remember, guys, there are millions of people that are using ChatGPT. So if you do come into ChatGPT and it's giving you a message where it says that it's overloaded, then just wait and be patient. But I'm sure it'll work eventually. Try and find a time where most people are sleeping or most American people are sleeping. So yeah, if you're in South Africa, then you can obviously go and see the time zone when Americans will be sleeping and when you can obviously use this. Now they have upgraded to a paid version. As you can see, you can upgrade to a plus. And as of now, the time that I'm making this video, it is 20 USD per month. But I'm happy with the free version because it does everything that I needed to do already. Now, as you can see on the left side, there's a new chat. So every time that you're going to be using ChatGPT to generate new prompts for you, or have a conversation with ChatGPT, you're going to press new chat. And once you press new chat, you input whatever you need to ask ChatGPT in the chat box section at the bottom. It's going to rename that topic for you based on the information that you're asking it. So it really does work very well. I'm very happy with my personal assistant, I must say. Now, I have some tips for using ChatGPT. So this is really the fun part on how you can use this to its full potential. The first thing I want to say to you when you are using ChatGPT for whatever purpose you're using it, whether you're trying to write an essay, whether you're trying to come up with an ad campaign, or writing out a business plan, or whatever the case may be, asking it a really simple question, I want you to be very specific with your prompts. That is going to get you the best results. Try to be as specific as possible with your prompt. The more specific you are, the better the response will be. And when I say specific, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm meaning with that. And also, you want to keep the conversation flowing. So, ask it a specific question. Don't be broad here. Don't be open ended. Don't ask open ended questions. Ask something that is specific to exactly what you wanted. Since ChatGPT can understand context, it's a good idea to keep the conversation flowing by building on the previous responses that it has given you. This can also help create a more natural and cohesive conversation. So, the first thing we're going to do is ask it a specific question. The second thing you're going to do is ask it to generate a longer answer if you're not happy with the one that you have already that you've already gotten, from ChatGPT, and then you're going to ask it to extend on that. Now, in the next video that I have, I show you exactly how I do this by being on ChatGPT. So please stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified the moment that video comes up. And then the third step you can go is you can actually change the tone of the text to happy, funny, persuasive, soft selling skills, that kind of thing. So for example, if I'm going to ask a specific question, I'm going to say, generate me 5 ideas for a classroom quiz, right? Based on English rules. Then it's going to give me the 5 tips or the 5 quiz questions. From there, I'm going to say, extend on this and make it difficult for the students, and also make it quite tricky, because I want them to think, it must be thought provoking. And then the third one, I'm going to say, make it have rhyming words in it, so that it really plays on their thinking, and I get to see if the students actually understand what I'm teaching them based on the lesson that I'm giving them, right? So it really, really is amazing. You can also use this in your business if you're looking to advertise your company at the moment, and you really don't know how to pitch. Then you can say, write me out a compelling pitch for my ad. Then from there, it's going to give you it's going to generate the answer for you. Based off that answer, you can say, make this shorter, make this more captivating, use words that are going to have SEO, that's search engine optimization, so that when people search it, they can actually find your video or your content much sooner, or your web page or landing page. And then for the third one, you're going to say, make this tone persuasive, but funny and natural at the same time. So you really can play up with this and make use of this for your business. Now, remember, please, we are using this to assist us, not to do everything for us. So you're not going to just copy and paste the information that you get from ChatGPT. Make it your own work, guys. Next step is you can use this for creative writing. So use ChatGPT for creative writing. If you are a writer like myself and you're stuck with ideas, ChatGPT can help. It really does help. Try inputting a sentence or a phrase and see where ChatGPT takes you. You might be surprised by what it comes up with. It really gave me amazing topics that I didn't even think about to write my next story on. Test your knowledge on any subject. ChatGPT can generate responses to prompts on any topic. Math, try it. A different language, try it. Physics, try it. Try anything. Business concepts, how to make a marketing plan. Anything. It can really generate prompts on any of that. So this makes it a great tool for testing your knowledge. Try inputting a question and see if ChatGPT can provide you with the correct answer. Now, you always want to check if the answers are correct, and you're going to do this by obviously doing your research, right? As I said, we're using this as a tool to assist us and not to get every answer out of it. So You want to get ChatGPT to assist you and not do all the work for you. As I've been saying, guys, you know me, we do not copy, we use as inspiration. Ask it to generate an outline based off a certain topic that you want. For example, let's just say you are a blogger. Then you're going to say, write out an outline for the best coffee. Now, once you get your outline, firstly, you're going to be specific. Mention the arc if you needed to. If you don't need it to, that's okay. If you wanted to have a certain time limit on it, so let's say you are generating content and you need this thing to be 10 minutes long, then say 10 minutes long in bullet point. However you want it, be that specific. Think about how you would need to write that out yourself and write exactly the description that you want there. The next step, you're going to expand on the outline. Now that you have your outline, expand on each topic. So it's going to give you a whole lot of outlines, your introduction, your body, and your conclusion. And between those 3 points, it's going to give you bullet points inside. So you're going to copy each one of those and you're going to paste it there and say expand on this. And then you're also going to ask it to give you, the type of tone that you want and what you want it to actually sound like. Once you have all of your information curated, you're going to edit. It is very important to read through the information and make sure that it is relevant, as ChatGPT is limited to information up to 2021. So make changes where you need to and make it your own work. As I've said, and I will keep on saying, we are not here to copy, we are only here to get inspiration. You can even learn a new language with ChatGPT. This is really amazing. So it can translate to any language. So if you're having problems like my South African people with any other language and you're translating, please use ChatGPT. Remember, you are going to do your research and you're going to check your work as well. Do not rely only on AI as well. Use your own common sense too. So learn a new language with ChatGPT. It can translate languages, which means you can input a sentence in your native language and receive a response in the language you're trying to learn. This is a really fun and easy way to practice your language skills. I use this on my son, and he wants to learn how to speak Spanish. So he puts the sentence in English and he gets it out in Spanish, and he is loving it. Really, really, really loving it. The next thing that you can use a ChatGPT for is write social media posts or get ideas on topics to write about. Yes, it's going to give you ideas. So you can obviously also write about social media posts or an email subject line. ChatGPT is great for generating attention grabbing responses. That's what I love the most about it, which makes it a perfect tool for creating social media posts or email subjects that will engage your audience. So you can go onto ChatGPT and search 10 social media posts that I need to post on Instagram based off health and lifestyle, or based off tech, based off fitness. Depending on what your niche is on social media, then you're going to input that specific field so that it actually gives you ideas based off that. You don't want to be talking about things that you don't know or people don't know you for just because it can generate ideas for you. No, we stick to our niche so that we can actually refine our niche and get better at that and people know you for that. And last but not least, plan, design, and present, guys. Generate product descriptions or sales pitches with ChatGPT, which I love. So if you are in the e-commerce business and you're selling things online, which I know a lot of my followers are, then you can obviously use this to get your business up and running. ChatGPT can help you come up with product descriptions or sales pitches that will grab your customers' attention. So try inputting a description of your product and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now remember, you want to also be specific about what product you're selling. Give the dimensions, give the weight, the size, the color, the name, the smell that it has. You want to be so specific about it, and then you tell ChatGPT to generate a description for you based off what you've given to it, and it must have a strong sales pitch to it, but also be very natural as well. It must be persuasive and have a soft tone to it. I promise you, ChatGPT will do exactly that for you. Also, again, take that, paste it on Word document, make sure that your grammar is correct there. You don't want to rely totally on AI. You want to use your own skills as well. And guys, this is just a few ideas on how you can use ChatGPT to really optimize your time and save a lot on finding PAs. Sorry, PAs, if you are here. But I was one too. So it can really, really, really help you. And guess what? ChatGPT is not going to call in sick. She might just be busy because a lot of people are online, but she won't call in sick. So guys, I hope this has helped you. thinking of ideas on how you can actually use ChatGPT, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you are notified the next time I upload the next video. And if you're a teacher, make sure you tune in to our next video where I'm going to be discussing some fun ways to use ChatGPT in the classroom or outside of the classroom. If you're homeschooling, whatever it may be, I'll also show you exactly how I use ChatGPT in the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Do drop a comment below and let me know how you're going to use ChatGPT in the future. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.